Hello, digital family. Today, I will show you an application that quickly converts your speech into text. And that's not all. With offline transcriptions, you can still transcribe without an internet connection. Let's get started. First, you need to open the App Store and install an application called Live Transcribe. In the search field, type Live Transcribe and click on the text or search icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When the green icon of the app appears, click on Install. I have already installed the app. Once you install it, click on Open. Now you can speak the text you want to transcribe. As you can see, the text appears very quickly. In addition, at the bottom, there is a settings icon. There, you can, among other things, adjust the text size and see the transcription history for the previous 24 hours. I will skip that for now. When you finish, you can copy the text and paste it wherever you want. I hope you liked the video. Write to us in the comments if you had the opportunity to use this app and what your impressions are. Follow us for more useful tutorials.